Hello guys, it's Tracy with Scratch Kitchen, and we are going to put some ground meat, prep it, get it ready to go into the freezer. So when you pull it out, all you gotta do, slap some seasoning in it, either make a meatball, meatloaf, or a burger. Now I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm doing this because I had really good intent when I did my menu for, by the way, this is like, this would be about a teaspoon, okay? When you've cooked enough, you learn this. I planned on doing meatball subs. We got the ground turkey yesterday, but guess what I forgot to do? I forgot to take the rolls out with the subs. Lovely, right? Yeah. And to be honest, are you even surprised? I mean, this is me we're talking about. This is why I need to get an organizer and put pretty much everything on it. Probably put in when to walk the dog, the way I'm going. So I'm going to put pepper in here. We're going to put pepper. Now, I'm not going to, this is all the seasoning I'm going to put in. Because when I pull it out to thaw it to be used, I want to be able to do, if I want taco burgers, just add Mexican seasoning or taco seasoning, done, finished. Now, that's about half a cup. This is something my late mother used to do. Her mom did it. Her aunt did it. Her mom's sister did this. And actually Rachel Ray does it. And once again, it's just something that's been passed down from generation to generation. Now, I have no doubt if I measured it, it would have been half a cup. But hey, it's already measured. Why rock the boat, you know? Put your egg in. Whoops. Of course, you do not want to freeze your egg in the shell. I'm putting these in a Ziploc bag. Now, I have a theory that I will be able to mix the ground meat and the seasonings in the bag. Not get my hands super dirty because of meat. Will it work? Hell if I know. I wouldn't be surprised if it backfires, honestly. Yes, we wash our hands around here frequently. I'm going to be sharing a book with y'all tomorrow, or Tuesday, I'm going to be sharing some books with you that you really, really need to put in your SHTF library. These are things you really want to get, you really should get hard copies of. Because they are just invaluable. Now, I am going to take this, I know. Let me bring you over. Hello. Yeah. I'm going to divide it up right here. Because I know that that is going to be a pound. When you've cooked long enough, you get to a point where you just, you know. I mean, you don't really have to think too much about something. You just know. And I should have known this probably would not work. No, not the way I thought it would. I mean, overall it's going to work. It's just, yeah. My aim was to keep getting a lot of dishes dirty. That was the plan. However, this is me again. So, no, it did not work out. That's alright. These things happen. I'm coming to you from the belly of the insane asylum, pretty much, here. When you cut that in half, maybe that'll work. Oh yes, so much better. See, you make these mistakes, you learn. Not quick enough, apparently. They've still got ground meat going everywhere. The hell with it. I'm going to try and be neat about this, but if you're germophobic, this is not the video for you. If you're a neat freak, again, this is not the video for you. Hell, this might not even be the universe for you if you are a complete germ weirdo. Should have done this way first. Start with nothing like just getting in there with your hands and getting it done, you know? Don't try to fancy it up or complicate it. Just get in there, get her done. Like Larry the Cave Guy used to say. Now, will this other idea work? I don't know. Again, I would not be surprised if it backfires, to be honest. But I do have the bags the meat is in dated. They are ready to be frozen. So now I'm going to zip them, get the air out, and we'll see if this idea works. Oh yeah, it's going to work. I want to massage everything in to the meat. Now remember, you're going to do this one more time. When you pull this out to unthaw it and use it, whatever you're going to use it for, you're going to do that again because you're going to put seasonings in it. Try not to make too much of a mess. But it never works, really. There we go with that. There we go. You just got to turn it upside down. Start mixing in the dry seasonings. And there you go. You're going to do this, like I said, again. And you pull it out and get ready to use it. Now, there we go. That is how to quickly put ground meat in a freezer. Now, I could can this meat. Yes, I could. Here's the deal. It's kind of humid. It's kind of muggy. And I've already got laundry done. I had originally planned on having meatballs today, but being the infinite genius that I'm not, I forgot to take the rolls out. Anyway, we have so much stuff in our fridge right now, we need to clean it out. Seriously, we do. I will show you a picture of this once it gets all frozen, which I will take it out of the freezer tomorrow, and we'll see how it freezes flat. I'm going to use cutting boards to lay it all on overnight, and we will see you tomorrow. Alright guys, it is a day later. The virtual school drama yesterday is this. There are no teachers in the virtual school through the high school. There's no teachers really. It's it's kind of a pain in the butt. I just sat over an hour trying to help my daughter with algebraic equations. I can figure out this stuff because it's what, we need to know how to divide up 3 pounds of meat to stretch it as far as possible. That we need to know. How many times X can go into 9 and see if I give a damn? No, we don't need to know that. Nobody cares. Alright, here's the deal. We got 3 pounds of ground turkey. It's ready. All we gotta do is add a seasoning to it when we're on thaw it and decide meatball, meatloaf, or whatever it be. Oh, and by the way, I could have done the meatball subs yesterday, the day, but I forgot I had these. Yep. Are you even surprised? No. Anyway, now, and I got them dated. Now the reason I put these boards between it is because if you have a freezer that's got those racks with the wires go between them. Yeah, I'm way up here doing it, trying to do this. This will freeze to those racks. So this is a little trick I learned from Jamerille, Stewart. From her. No, I don't have to cook on that level, but that tip was excellent. And it works every time. Alright guys, that is it. I will see you Sunday when I use one of these to make meatloaf. See you later.